Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today we're kicking off Veganuary with my all-time favourite vegan recipe, which is for a Malaysian rendang. And rendang is bursting with the flavours of Asia, so all those spices and those aromatics, and it's a fantastic vegan recipe. Let's get started. I'll walk you through the recipe. Get started right now. So to start, we've got some coriander stalks and some garlic, which are just gently frying down. To this we'll add our dried red chilli that we've had soaking in some water. Next, coconut cream. Get this melted down, and then to this we'll add a little piece of ginger. And we're going to take this mix, we're going to blend it right down to make our spice paste. Now, to this we're being super trendy, super hipster, we're going to add some jackfruit. So Malaysian rendang is typically with beef, but jackfruit gives you that pulled or that shredded texture. Next, star anise, cinnamon, some lime leaves, and some lemongrass. A little grating of nutmeg, and your coconut milk. Bring this to a gentle simmer. And then we'll add a little dash of miso, bring the earthiness, and some tamarind to bring the roundness to the dish, and some sweetness as well. So after about an hour, your curry's been cooked down and your jackfruit's beginning to pull and have that shredded texture. Gonna add some more veg. We've got some red peppers, cook them down for 10 minutes, nice and soft. Next is add some palm sugar, or if you've forgotten that, add some dark brown sugar, which I have done. And some desiccated coconut for some texture. Baby corn gives it a fantastic crunch. And some coriander. Just going to finish this off with some freshly grated lime zest. And that is our curry done. Here is our Malaysian vegan rendang. Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like the recipe, then please make sure to like and to share the video, then to not miss the next video in the series, subscribe to the channel, then hit the bell notification